I'm here because, over the last several decades, most of the working class, the youth, and the elderly have been experiencing, just a downward spiral in their living standards, and we're really seeing that, capitalism is sort of showing its true colors. We had the creation of the middle class, between the end of the Second World War and the mid-1970s, but since then, it's been just a constant downward trend. And on top of all that, we had this massive economic crisis, the global economic crisis, and the ruling class, the elite, the big corporations have made it very clear that they're going to put the burden of the entire crisis on us, on the shoulders of ordinary people. And I think people are sick and tired of being the underdog and facing constant budget cuts, not having health care. I mean, the United States is the richest country in the world in the history of humanity, and 46,000 people are dying because they don't have health care, for basic health care. And 50 million people don't have health insurance, and one in six households are below the poverty line, and the poverty line itself is really inadequate. So you're just seeing an already massive inequality becoming even stunningly wider. So you have a few billionaires who own more than the GDP of several countries put together, and on the other hand, you have massive number of people just facing basic problems like starvation and lack of medical care. And if you look at this problem globally, it's huge. I mean, just this summer, 25,000 people have died simply because they didn't get food, out of starvation in the Horn of Africa, in Eastern Africa. So this is just a massive problem we're seeing, and these are really problems of capitalism. And I think people are starting to realize that not only do they need to fight for reforms to change their, improve their standards of living today, they need to wage a fundamental fight against the system.